mean, end of February, so we have 2.5-ish
I know, I'm trying
months.
to figure it out. January, February. So wait, shoot.
Doing a cattle drive down Santa Quinn.
Why? Why are they doing that? And why are there horses right there?
That's just, well, because they're all on the cattle drive to keep the horses, to keep the cows where they're supposed to be, to keep them out from going over here. They push them up along the fence line through town. This is where it will get interesting though.
Why?
Because now there's no more fence. Now they're going to be in houses.
That's interesting. Oh, what would be funny is if a cow sticks its head in that car. Oh, is that some of their cows?
Get all these people out here for the cattle drive.